What's going on, YouTube? So here we have a graph for year-over-year revenue, and very clearly the data that is referring to has December in the labels, but for some reason it is showing January and not December for the bar chart. The reason being is because the axis is a date format and can be a little bit wonky at times. The cleanest way is to make it a text axis instead by right-clicking on the axis, clicking Format Axis, and then from here, you're going to want to go at the top where it says Axis Labels. After you click on the little 3-bar icon towards the right, where you're going to want to not automatically select based on data type, but just click on Text Axis, where the axis is going to be text in the graph, but it's going to directly reference what is being shown in the cells above. That said, hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.